Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today we have a very exciting Temu video because I've been trying Temu since April of this year, so for a few months, because y'all wanted me to try it, okay? I blame this addiction and obsession on y'all. And a lot of my Temu videos, people are always like, well, of course you like it, it's sponsored. And up until today's video, Temu has had no idea who I am, has not paid me a single cent to make a single video. All the videos that I posted, all of these have been paid with my own money. But Temu contacted me and they were like, hey, can we send you a bunch of stuff? And I was like, yes, you can. Because number one, I've tried Temu time and again and I really, really like it. And number two, I want to test out this theory of y'all that sponsored videos are somewhat better than you spending your own money. So I will put right here how long it took for me to get all these products, and I wanted to thank Temu for sponsoring today's video because I got really good stuff. But for the past few months, I've gotten really good stuff from Temu. So I really, really like Temu. I have a discount code that they gave me. It's not an affiliate code, but it gets you up to $100 off Temu coupons. So definitely put it in the Temu app if you haven't already. Download the Temu app if you haven't already, and let's get into with the video, the haul, and the review. This one's so viral a few years ago, and I'm going to show you how it works. But it's an automatic drink dispenser that is perfect if you have kids that can't reach the fridge and you don't want them to spill or anything. It just dispenses it like right there, and I thought this was really cool. It was very inexpensive. I think this would be great for us, and then when Olivia's a little older, she can serve herself milk or juice. It's like 110 degrees in Houston, so I wanted to get this for the Sue or like outings. It's basically a neck fan and so hot. I feel like this is perfect for it to blow like right on your face and keep you cool. And I like that this one has no batteries, but instead it's rechargeable. Where's the little charger thing? Right here. But I'm obsessed with this. I'm even gonna get one for my best friend. Got this pack of bralettes for only $10. I've been really into these bralettes instead of real bras, and they are so soft. They feel like Free People. The bags are adjustable. I got a size medium. This nude color that is so pretty. I would say these are pretty true to size. And this mint. So soft, perfect for lounging, perfect for even wearing underneath like little dresses because it is low cut enough, but it's still super supportive. I love these glass straws from Temu. I have the little turtles too, but I got the flowers and I think they're so cute. Then you get one or two more for $6, as like Amazon has them for $20, which is crazy. So definitely go for the Temu ones. There's nothing I love more in life than a to-do list that has the little boxes to check things off. Nothing more satisfying. This one was $4. It's a great size for every day. It comes with a ton, the little ring, so it's easy to move around. I also really like that it has this like cover right here. It's pink, gold, and white. Like, what else could you ask for? I also like keeping little cards on hand to gift gifts. So Temu has this pack of birthday cards, which is the one that I always never have, of different designs. Look how cute. For like $2. So now I have all of these. They're like perfect, they're neutral, like perfect for people that like you don't know too well. And then it comes with the envelopes, which is perfect. So now I have a ton for only like $2. Been needing one of these for my bulk bag to keep my toiletries in it. So this one just says Mama in gold and white. Very much Sunny Clover vibes. I still need to fill it up. The zipper is really nice and it's actually really spacious inside. I love that it's clear with the neutral and it has a handle. It's gonna be perfect for my on-the-go bag. So as you all know, I have a Stanley cup. I think it's like such a big waste of money. I cannot believe the price. So Temu has great alternatives. I got my husband a black one and this was only $14. It's just as heavy. It has the grip on the handle. It has the straw, everything. It just looks the exact same, fits in a cup holder, 40 ounces, but it's really a third of the price. I don't know if that math is right, but 14, 40, definitely 14. I got another phone case. This one is also from Temu, but you guys know I love Evil Eyes. I guess I do love blue and white because Evil Eyes are blue and white. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So pretty. It was only like $1.75. This is my third time buying these no crease hair clips. I love to wear these when I'm getting ready, like doing my makeup. I got a more neutral pack. They are so nice. They're matte and they just keep my hair out of my face and in place when I'm getting ready. They're like 79 cents. They're so darn cute. It also comes with this like coppery one and then a taupe, and I have all the neon ones too. Such a look. I've been wanting one of these, what are they called, like eternity calendars or something, I don't know, for my desk, but I think I'm gonna give this one to my husband. It just completely matches the vibe of his office. You basically switch the little circle depending on the day and the month, and I thought this was like a cute little gift. I think it was $6. It's very nice quality. I really love it. I got these. They say they're great for like keeping breast milk good. I got it for Olivia's snacks. Sometimes we're in the car for a long time or we're out and about and her snacks get really melted and gross. So you just fill them up with water, freeze them, and then you can stick them in a cooler or a bag to keep them nice and cold. They are compact enough and they're not gonna be super heavy, but they're still gonna do the job. So I got 2 of them and I'm really glad I got them. I got them both. I got so many toys because, as y'all know, getting toys for Olivia from Temu is like my #1 hack for being a mom. They're so inexpensive, they're so good, they have so many good options. I got her this little sand bucket with a bunch of little tools and even like molds inside. This was so inexpensive and it came perfectly wrapped. This would make the cutest little party favor. She loves busy boards, so I got her this for the car. Has so many little sensory activities and things that are going to be very useful for practicing like fine motor skills. So there's like buckles and zippers, and these that she loves the shapes so she can take them out. This is a puzzle, the time, the month, and then more like zippers, tying her shoe, things like that. And then on the other side there's the alphabet, which she really loves, and then the cute little mermaid with the ocean characters. This is perfect for travel, so inexpensive compared to other brands and other places. I also got her this cage toy. It's really good for her to figure out how to get them out, and then she can also stack them up. And it makes noise, so it would be great for a younger baby as well, like under a year. The pieces are not too small. Like I said, you can like stack them to make them even bigger, and she has been really enjoying this toy as well. This is by far one of the best Temu toys I've found for her. It's a little piano and xylophone. She did lose already the little stick, but she loves the fact that it has numbers. She just plays with this every time it's out for her, and then it has the thing to put the stick here. I have no idea where she put it, but so inexpensive compared to other alternatives, and she's just obsessed. Another great party favor, y'all. This was only $2 and she is completely obsessed. I showed y'all in a video that she loves shapes. It's like her #1 obsession. So I got her this for $2. I mean, she calls the polygon, she calls it a pentagon, but this one has so many options. The diamond, like, she just loves this thing. But they have ocean animals, they have fruits, they have vegetables. It's a great way to learn, but also great for gift giving. For $2 you could spend maybe $20 and give a ton of kids a gift. I got Olivia these noise canceling like headphones. They don't even fit my head. I just wanted to have them just in case, like if we ever take her to like an Astros game, baseball, whatever, we would have them on hand, and they're pretty compact, so I can just stick them in my bag or keep them in my car. But once again, super inexpensive. I love finding funky pillows on Temu. I got this one. It's like really pretty and beige, but I also have it in pink for Olivia's room. This was so inexpensive and the quality is amazing. This really reminds me of like Urban Outfitters. This is so dang cute. They have so many different songs. I got the Beauty and the Beast. It's a little music box. You'll see. Isn't that so precious? Once again, this would make such a cute like baby shower, like little gift, or like for a new mom. They have Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I think this would be so cute, and I like the fact that Olivia can use it herself without abusing it and destroying it like a real music box. I think this is precious, and it's like small and cute. I just love this. It was like $5. Got this bag, and honestly it's not my favorite. As you can see, it suffered a little when it was packaged. Yeah, so I left it with the filler to see if that would help like fix the corners, but I don't know, I don't really see myself using this a ton, so I'm just gonna give it to one of my little cousins. It's not bad, especially not for the price, but I don't see myself like reaching for such a little shoulder bag, so I'm just gonna give it away to one of them. My husband loves fun ice, so I thought this sphere ice would be fun for him. It's like pretty easy to fill up. I always see it on TikTok and I wanted to try it out. And of course I had to get the pink one. Once again, super inexpensive. I got this for Olivia's birthday as table decor, but then I can always put it somewhere else. I think it's really cool. It's this like mirror ball UFO. Comes with one more that you stick right here. I will say, like, I don't love the fact that you have to put the legs yourself. They keep falling out, so I might have to glue them. But besides that, like, it's not bad for $10. Olivia's second birthday is coming up, and Temu has a ton of balloons and party supplies. I got this balloon pack with a bunch of colors that I'm going to use for her birthday, and then I will keep the rest for other occasions. It comes with the balloon tapes and a bunch of stuff inside. I also got 2 different balloon arch mechanisms. I got one that goes over a table. I'm going to show you all of this for Olivia's birthday, like once everything's set up, so stay tuned for that. That was like $6. And then I got 2 like balloon towers I'm going to put at the front of the house so people know this is where the party is, that are so nice looking and look super sturdy, so I'm so excited to use those. I feel like on Amazon, Party City, other places, they'd be like 3 times the price. On Temu, the stands were 2 for $8, and then the arch was only $6. So guys, that's everything for this Temu haul. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite thing that I got, or what's your favorite thing that you've gotten from Temu? Don't forget to use my coupon code, and thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.